What? Who? All.Natural. Gang, gang, gang.
Hold on, hey, 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 diamond, hey, 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 ho, hey, 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 diamond, hey, ho, hey, hey, hey.
What's up, All.Natural? So today, we're gonna be washing Lo's hair. Okay. So if y'all wanna see me wash these dreadlocks, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all hear my dog in the background. Y'all already know what time it is. He don't push. But anyway, let's get into the video. What's up, All.Natural Squad? So today, we are doing a dreadlock wash video. This video is old. It's from last year. I know I'm just not getting to it, but this was last year, and I believe around the same time, September. My dreadlocks are now a year and a half old. I'm at the point where I'm at again. Want to wash them out. I mean, not wash them out, comb them out. Not have them anymore. I miss my old hair. My locks are very damaged due to perm and two different textures. I also have an undercut in the back. Y'all will see that in this video. But all that being said, I know I've been gone a long time. Now I am here. Okay? Don't worry about that. We are here. We are back. We are better than ever. But yeah, let's get into the video. So right now I am just drenching my hair in water because it is extremely dirty. In this video, my hair had been like literally 3 months not washed at all because my locks were still kind of like starter locks. Right here I am using the Dr. Bronner's lavender soap. It's natural soap, best for everything, like your whole entire body. Wash your fruits and vegetables and everything with it. This is the best soap you literally can use on your whole body. Face, body, hair, whatever that you need. Dog, like laundry. Whatever that you need to use the soap for, you can use it for. In this video, I only use that soap. I do have a whole different wash routine. Well, my normal routine. This is like my dirty scalp routine, dirty body, routine where I use that soap. But if y'all want to see another video of me washing my hair with my new routine, well, my old routine, they got my hair growing like it is in the video, then y'all make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments what y'all want more of. So right here, y'all, we are just scraping this dirty scalp. Of course, the first wash, it don't laugh at all. It's very extremely dirty. This right here I have had for years now. This is a scalp massager. I bought it off Amazon. I will link the description down and below. It have 2 vibrating settings, and it gets extremely to the scalp. It promotes hair growth. And also clean to the scalp. It's better to use this tool because a lot of times you have snagged fingernails or broken nails and they snag on your hair to pull. If you want to promote healthy, long, thick hair, then you should order one of these. No, this is not sponsored, but it just, if you want long hair, just order it. And they don't cost that much. They're on Amazon. Like I said, they come in different colors. I will link that down in the description. So yes, now we are drenching the hair once again. And like I said, the first wash, y'all, my hair didn't even lather at all. Point blank period. You see how I scrubbed my scalp? It didn't even lather. I'm trying to do better about my dreads now. I was after this I started washing my hair every month. Now I'm trying to start washing my hair every week and getting back down to how I used to wash my hair every 3 days. I can't go long like other people do because I have acne. So if I got a dirty scalp, baby, my face is gonna break out. Y'all see that good lather? Look at that. Good lather. Second wash, third wash is always better. 2 washes, that's all I need for my hair. Drench, girl. Drench, drench, drench. As y'all can tell, this is like my first time trying to wash my hair in the shower. It was it was a mess. The water kept getting in my eye. I was like, nah, this is something I gotta work on, but it got done. Y'all look at all that lather. That scalp gonna be clean. Scrub the ground. Y'all, my back was so bad with fucking acne. Like, looking at this video, my back way better now. Ooh, y'all look at that lather, honey. Yes. My hair was not clean on the first go around. It was extremely dirty. When y'all see that good lather like that, that means that scalp clean, baby. That scalp clean. Look, water again. Y'all gotta let me know in the comments what y'all do when y'all be doing these shower routines. Trying to do something a little different for y'all, but honey, it was not cutting it with that damn water in my eyes. I don't even see how y'all go up underwater with y'all eyes open. That is crazy. I need goggles and everything. Y'all, so when I'm done, I just squeeze my hair, squeeze it. And baby, look at this scalp. That scalp is clean. That scalp clean. And I needed that. Yes. See that? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next video. I love y'all. All.Natural Squad. It's been a pleasure of growing with y'all. Like I said, I gotta do better. I gotta get better. And I'm back and better, stronger than ever. And check the lymph. Baby, I started with lymph. Peace, y'all. Love y'all.